Okay, we're good. If it gets hard to pump, then it's probably good.
I don't know. It was hard to pump last time, and it went about 2 feet.
How are we going to do this to him?
I don't know. That's something we'll figure out later.
Okay. I have a gigantic tripod.
I'm just kind of waiting for him to show up, and then once he does, I'll get out of the car. I'll wait for him to get out, and then I'll shoot him.
Okay.
I might shoot you in the process, but we'll just forget about that.
Well,
I'm
what?
saying, as soon as they see this rocket, they're probably going to think it's real, and we're going to have to leave really fast.
You know, North Korea will be on her butt.
No, they'll try to be allies with us.
Oh, that might be him.
Is that him?
It might be him. Yeah. Oh, that's turning. Oh, that doesn't look like his car though.
White.
Does not look like his car though. Where do you think he'll park?
Probably next to us. That's kind of awkward.
Yeah, that's very awkward.
Is that him? That's got to be him.
This has got to be him. I'm going over here. Make sure you hit him.
They don't need to know our life story yet.
I wouldn't keep that pump for so long, otherwise it's not going to be pumped enough for when you shoot it. So, like,
it's still hard to pump.
Okay. Oh, dang it.
Oh.
Wait.
Ooh, this is promising.
Oh, I see a blinker. Wait. No, wait, that is him.
Where's your card? Where's your keys?
My pocket? Hide it. Oh, crap. That's very loud. I don't know what he's doing. I gotta blur out his license plate.
What's the zitch? So what are you guys actually doing together?
I have no idea.
Hopefully it'll be vomiting blood like last time.
Wait.
Woo!